Best free movie apps on an Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you the best apps to get on your Android phone so you can watch free movies. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And check the description. I'll have links down there to all these apps in the Google Play Store. So the first free movie app I'm going to recommend is going to be Fandango. So this app is full of free movies. All you need to do once you open it up is select free in the bottom menu, and then it will bring you to watch for free, where you can see tons of really big name movies, all completely for free. And they also have apps for Roku, Fire Stick, anything like that. And the coolest thing is you don't even need to create an account. After Fandango, we have Tubi. And once you open up Tubi, if you don't want to create an account, select skip in the top right. And then all you need to do is select movies at the top. And in here, you'll see a full list of all the free movies you can watch within the Tubi app, all for free and without an account. The next app is going to be Fawsome. Fawsome is a really cool app. As you can see, tons of free movies. They also have live TV completely for free, and they break it down into genres, so it's really easy to find your favorite movies and watch them completely for free. After Fawsome, we have Sling TV, which is usually a live streaming app, but in here, all you need to do is go down to On Demand, then select Movies, and you'll see a full list of all the movies that they offer completely for free. They also have TV shows and a kids section completely for free. The next app we have is going to be Plex. And Plex does require you to create an account, so just know that going into it. But all we need to do once we get into Plex is select On Demand. They do have free live TV, which works really well. But once you get into On Demand, select Free to Watch, and you'll see all the movies. And they also have full series that you can watch completely for free. Now, the next app is going to be a little bit surprising. That's going to be the YouTube app. So once you get into YouTube, in this top menu right here, go all the way to the left and select this little icon right here. From there, select Movies and TV. And then all we want to do in the top menu is select Free. And you'll see a free list of all the movies they have on YouTube. It may say free with ads, so just select that. And all of these are officially from YouTube, and they're completely free. So that was a list of apps you can use to watch free movies on your Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.